Here at the Macy's at the Exton Square Shopping Center in West Whiteland Township, Pennsylvania, and this store will be closing in just a matter of weeks. And with that, let's take a final ride on this 1973 OTIS elevator. See your OTIS logo? Let's head up to the upper level. Upper level. These are your fixtures. OTIS illuminating black button and non-illuminating black button. 4,000 pounds is your capacity. There's your indicator. This used to be straw bridges. And with that, that has been the final ride of that 1972 OTIS elevator. I wish you luck in the next chapter, 1972 OTIS, as the store closes in just a matter of weeks. This has been Cal M, and I hope you have a great day.